Hey guys, in this video, WeChat back up and restore chat history. Message easily on Android and iPhone included. So, here, if you're switching phones or simply want to protect your WeChat conversation, you can backup transfer chat history instead of losing everything when you change your device. So, WeChat backup right here. Yeah, here you can find it here at your settings right here. So once you're here, guys, all you need to just click on chats. After pressing on chats right there, click on here. You may see um, manage chat history right here. There you go. You can click on backup right there, backup restore. So backup your chats to another storage device so that you can restore them if you lose your phone or use a new one. So there you go. And then select the conversion. Choose to select chat history, if ever. It's just that. Then connect both phones. A device that connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. Follow the instruction shown by the WeChat. There you go. Then start the migration. Once you start the migration, it's just that for Android to iPhone, transfer the same basic migration process can be used when moving between different phone platforms. So yeah, so don't delete WeChat from the old phone immediately. Make a backup. So for example, if there is something like delete happens, so yeah. If the transfer fails, check the both phones are updated and connected to a stable network. But there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Because you enjoyed. If you have any more question concerns, you can always type it down question below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. There you go, guys, and thank you, guys.